Welcome to our video, where we're set to explore the captivating world of advanced machinery used in the handling and processing of wood. We'll journey through a variety of tools and equipment, showcasing everything from the production of popular building materials to effective logging capabilities and comprehensive tree handling needs. Also, we will marvel at compact yet powerful tree removal tools that break size stereotypes. So, stay tuned to delve into the sheer power and precision of modern forestry and woodworking equipment. In today's video, we're focusing on the manufacturing methods for creating one of the most sought-after building materials globally, laminated timber. This material is versatile, being utilized in constructing buildings, crafting doors, windows, and a multitude of furniture pieces. The pricing of laminated veneer lumber hinges significantly on the production techniques employed. In some regions where manual gluing is used, the cost is not ideal. However, automation makes production cheaper in others. The equipment featured on the screen constitutes a production line made up of numerous individual machines, with each machine handling a specific wood preparation phase. Setting up this intricate system takes around a month, but the initial financial and temporal investments pay off rapidly, thanks to its high automation level boosting production output. The video highlights the Danish firm, System, which uses machinery such as the Opti-Fit 6000. This system facilitates the automatic supply of materials to the pre-processing section. An automatic unstacked arranges the delivered board stacks linearly. Subsequently, a trimmer trims down the board's edges and overlapping sections. Automated machinery also conducts quality control. Boards are transported on a special conveyor to a scanner that detects imperfections and assesses blank quality. The insights gained enable the categorization of boards into groups. The highest quality boards are chosen as external planks, while lower quality ones are used for the beam's internal structure. Woodworking takes numerous forms across the globe, including the operation of forestry mulchers like the FTX 200, a product of the US-based company Fecon. This versatile machinery can function in varying weather conditions throughout the year, be it in scorching heat, snow, or rain, to perform either complete or selective cutting. It exhibits impressive mobility, capable of reaching inaccessible and challenging terrains. This machine is a forceful clearing tool that practically demolishes any wood that comes its way, irrespective of the species or trunk diameter. Here's an additional piece of equipment engineered for field work. Rather than displaying the entire machine, we're focusing on a specific attachment that's typically used alongside an excavator. However, the model we're highlighting, the Timberline tree shear, is more suitable for a mini loader. This attachment is a product of Sydney manufacturing and is praised for its versatility. For instance, with this shear, you can chop down a tree trunk, flip it over, and even saw it into several pieces. The Timberline tree shear is an enhanced version of a prior similar model. It boasts a 20 to 40% increase in cutting power compared to rival models, leading to heightened productivity. But that's not its only selling point. Professionals highly favor this model for its swivel feature, which allows the shear to be rotated in either direction, expanding the scope for cutting and moving operations. The Timberline tree shear can manage hardwood trees with a diameter of up to 15 centimeters. When dealing with coniferous trees, the diameter limit increases. Generally, the shear can open wide enough to encircle a 55 centimeters trunk. However, the manufacturer emphasizes that the final outcome will depend on the specific tree species. If you're still manually chopping firewood, you might want to consider investing in the equipment we're showcasing today. The contemporary market offers a vast array of firewood splitter models, but we're spotlighting the machinery produced by POSCH, Austria. The first model is the SpaltFix S377 multi, which is robust yet straightforward to handle. Both log feeding and the cutting process are joystick controlled. The machine completes an entire cutting cycle and can handle large, lengthy tree trunks. An integrated circular saw slices the log into sections, which are then forced through metal grates to split the trunk, producing ready-to-use firewood. The split logs are then moved via a conveyor belt into a storage and transportation container. The SpaltFix S377 Multi can process logs from 10 to 37 centimeters in diameter, handling any species with a force of up to 15 tons. In contrast, the Poly-Horizontal Wood Splitter, a new model this fall, boasts a more compact size, making it ideal for private use. Though it may not operate at top speed, this is hardly a shortcoming. The Poly works with pre-sawn trunk sections, using a force of 8 tons to push the wood through the grid, effectively splitting the material. The operation speed is adjustable, but it's worth noting that the trunk diameter must not exceed 40 centimeters. In front of you is another specialized attachment, this time intended for use with a large excavator. The model, known as C350, is a product of the Austrian manufacturer, Westtech Woodcracker. This device is ideal for tree and bush felling and removal. The design is both unique and multifunctional, capable of handling a broad range of tasks. For instance, the claw can fell a single large, thick tree, or, alternatively, the metal claws can simultaneously fell multiple smaller trunks. It's worth noting that the claw comprises several components. The first is the metal claw, which grasps the tree, followed by a supremely powerful cutting mechanism located slightly below. Optionally, the device can be equipped with an additional accumulation claw to deal with small-sized timber, thereby enhancing timber handling efficiency. Generally, the C-Series comprises a range of grippers, with the C350 positioned in the middle in terms of capacity. It can process timber with diameters ranging from 35 to 40 centimeters, depending on the species. But what is the purpose of these machines? Beyond standard tree felling, they assist in roadside landscaping, cutting and removal of trees and shrubs, and can also prove useful in plantations of fast-growing trees. Lastly, we turn our attention to a machine explicitly designed for tree work. The HSM 405H3, crafted by German specialists at HSM Forest, is a wheeled harvester built for a notably extensive variety of heavy-duty operations. This robust and productive machine features a potent and highly precise harvesting head. It is capable of performing a wide array of tasks. Primarily, it cuts and fells trees. Secondly, once the trunks are grounded, it removes their branches. A final crucial task it performs is bucking, which involves sectioning the trunk crosswise. After the tree has been fully stripped, the machine has the ability to modify the resulting material's volume and also sort it. Don't underestimate the latest piece of equipment we're featuring today due to its compact size. The Dominator tree puller, when used with a mini loader, can topple a tree 2 to 3 times its height in just 4 minutes. As you might infer from its name, the Dominator is a tree puller attachment. Such equipment is usually employed to eliminate obstructive stumps. However, this model from the American firm CL Fabrication is capable of handling entire trees. Its metal jaws open wide enough to grasp trunks up to 150 centimeters in diameter. To extract stumps and trees from the ground, the equipment generates a force of 15 tons. As we conclude our journey through this fascinating realm of forestry and woodworking machinery, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the technological advancements that have revolutionized these industries. From the production of building materials to tree handling and removal, these machines embody the intersection of power, precision, and efficiency. Stay tuned for more insights into how technology continues to shape our world. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.